Okay, this is the first time I'm trying the new Kohler Pro Extended Life oil filter. This is a supposedly 300-hour oil change interval, but only if you use synthetic oil. Kohler came out with this for their extended oil programs. It has a 10 micron fiberglass media supported by long life wire backing. You can see that if you look in there with the flashlight and stuff. Metal end caps and a rugged or robust anti-drain back valve. And Kohler will state many times you can run 300-hour interval on your oil change with this, but only with synthetic oil. Don't even think about putting 300 hours on non-synthetic engine oil. Okay, my engine is a Kohler 29 horsepower EFI, and it holds roughly 2.5 quarts. I just put in 2.5, 2 1/3, and start it up a few times and check it. And then overnight, of course, before I mow every day, we check the oil, make sure it's right on the full mark. It's not using any oil, not even in 30, 40, 50 hours in the middle of the summer. I'll put a link to the oil filter wrench and the oil filter itself in the description. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Work safe out there and have a good one.